Hey there, welcome. If you're new to affiliate marketing or have been struggling to make consistent commissions, then today's video is just for you. In this video, we're going to dive into a system that makes affiliate marketing simple, even if you're a complete beginner. It's called Master Affiliate Profits, or MAP for short, and it's designed to help you start earning commissions without the steep learning curve. So, stay tuned, and I'll show you exactly how MAP can guide you step by step to your first $1,000 and beyond. First, let's talk about what affiliate marketing is for those who might not know. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online. All you do is promote other people's products, and when someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Simple, right? But here's the catch. A lot of people fail because they don't have a solid system or strategy in place. That's where MAP comes in. So, what exactly is MAP? Master Affiliate Profits is a complete affiliate marketing system that's tailor-made for beginners. Unlike other programs that leave you figuring things out on your own, MAP gives you a clear path from start to finish. You don't need to worry about building complicated websites, learning how to code, or spending hours trying to figure out what works. With MAP, you get everything you need in one place, including training, tools, and support. Here's how MAP makes affiliate marketing easy. Once you join MAP, you'll gain access to a dashboard packed with resources. From selecting profitable affiliate products to promoting them using proven traffic methods, MAP simplifies the entire process. Plus, the system helps you set up high-converting funnels that bring in leads and sales on autopilot. It's perfect if you're busy and don't have a lot of time to dedicate to building your online business. Now, let's dive into the key features of MAP. One of the best features is the training. MAP provides step-by-step video tutorials that walk you through every part of the process, from setting up your first affiliate campaign to scaling up your earnings. It's like having a personal mentor guiding you. And you're not left to figure things out alone. There's a supportive community of fellow marketers you can turn to for help whenever you need it. Another amazing benefit of MAP is the done-for-you campaigns. Yes, you heard that right. MAP includes done-for-you campaigns that you can use right away to start promoting affiliate products and earning commissions. You don't need to worry about copywriting or creating your own marketing materials. Everything is ready for you to plug in and use. But that's not all. MAP also gives you access to a variety of traffic strategies that work. You'll learn how to drive traffic to your affiliate links using free methods like social media, content marketing, and email marketing. And for those who want to scale up faster, MAP covers paid traffic strategies too, like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and more. Now, here's a pro tip for all you beginners. Focus on consistency. Affiliate marketing is all about driving traffic to your offers, and MAP will show you the best ways to do it. But the key is to stick with it. Set a goal to submit reports or promote products daily, or at least a few times a week. This will help you build momentum, and soon enough, you'll start seeing results. Alright, let's talk about results. What can you realistically expect with MAP? One of the standout features of Master Affiliate Profits is that it's built for scalability. Whether your goal is to make your first commission or hit six figures, MAP has the tools and strategies to get you there. The system is designed to grow with you as you gain experience, so the more effort you put in, the more you can earn. If you've tried affiliate marketing before and felt overwhelmed, MAP takes all the guesswork out of the equation. The proven templates, training, and tools will fast-track your journey to earning commissions. So, whether you're aiming to make an extra $1,000 a month or build a full-time business, MAP is the system you need. It's beginner-friendly, scalable, and designed for success. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to take the next step, download the free guide using the link below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more affiliate marketing tips and strategies. Let's make this the year you finally succeed in affiliate marketing with MAP.